Number 5. We're going to FOIL, but you do a double FOIL. Now, I'm going to try a different method than FOILing. You can do this or another way. I'm going to do this little box thing. Some people like this little box. Some people don't like it. Now, why did I do a 2 by 3? Because the 2x minus 3 goes there. And this top goes on top. This piece right here, that goes on top, that goes on the side. Do you see it's 2 by 3? It helps kind of keep people organized. The reason I'm using it for this one is it's a lot more foiling. It's a bigger FOIL job. And when you do this type of problem right here, doing FOIL, some people mess up. Anywho, when I put this on one side and the other one on the top, do you understand it's just a multiplication table? What goes in the first box?
2x cubed.
You should notice it's 2x cubed, because 2 times 1, and then x times x squared, x cubed. What's 2x times x? 2x squared. 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x. Negative 3 times 1x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. After doing all that, my answer, well, I just add up on my boxes. So this first box is 2x cubed. There's nothing to combine with that one. But look at the x squareds. Do those combine? I have 2 sets of x squareds. How many does that give us? Negative 1x squared or negative x squared. Do we have multiple boxes with x's? Yes, you have these for x's. That gives us negative 11x. And then the 12 all by itself. There we go. Again, you don't need the box. You could have foiled it out. It just is a little bit uglier. Last problem, number 6. Okay, number 6 right here. What you're going to do, instead of having x cubed, you can rewrite it as x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 4. And what you're going to do is, you're first going to FOIL the first two, and then that answer, it looks something like this. Okay. So let's start with the first one. When we FOIL it, we get x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16. Which, that gives us x squared minus 8x plus 16. And then we have an x minus 4. So I did the first one. Now, doesn't this look a lot like this?
Put it in the box.
So, I could do the box, or I'm going to show the FOIL method. Now, just real quick, would it possibly be easier to rewrite it like this? Put the smaller one in front. Are you okay if I put the smaller one in front? I'm going to FOIL. I'm going to show you how the FOILing works. What's x times x squared?
X cubed.
X times negative 8x is then negative 8x squared. And won't that become positive 16x? And then negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x squared. That becomes positive 32x. And that becomes negative 64. Now some people like this because now they just combine everything. Some people like the box and people don't. Okay, start with the highest power. X to the third. That's it. Okay. X squareds. Do we have any other X squareds?
Yeah.
We have that one right there. So how many X squareds? Negative 12X squared. Okay, X's. We have this one and this one, so that's 48. And then the last one is simply, bam, minus 64. Again, you could do the box or you could do the FOIL. It's your choice.